Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. You're looking at my US General 5-drawer mechanic cart, the Series 2 one where the door goes all the way up. That was fun having to get that and return the other one. Anyway, we're going to make some modifications to this thing. Just something simple, two things really. And it's one of those, the more you use something, the more you realize this works and that doesn't work. And the problem I'm really having is with these damn drawers. Like, I am sure for some people, the latch thing is great. But for me, it's just damn annoying. I'm in my basement. No one's going to steal nothing. I'm not worried about drawers just randomly flying open. And I hate that. It's a little plastic thing over here. You slide it over. You can see the... And that's how you open it, right? But, for instance, I was at Menards the other day, and I was looking at their toolboxes, and their Master Force ones... The front lip here is actually hinged. So anywhere you grab it, when you pull, it comes up a little bit, and that's what releases it. And I don't know about the durability, but I personally like that a lot better. But anyway, I don't need these things. I guess I could just not close the drawer all the way, but we're going to remove them. And let me show you what it looks like. I really haven't gotten this thing figured out yet. I'm hoping to buy a bunch of different Harbor Freight stuff to fill up in this thing. But anyway, so if we look, so it's just right there. Come on, focus. Focus. Oh, you suck at focusing. So there it is right there. So I believe if we just take that rivet out right there, these should come out pretty easily and then I don't have to worry about it. And once I get that done, we just have one other thing I want to do to this thing today and see how things go from there. See if I can show you up underneath what this thing looks like. It might be too dark. I think too dark. Handy dandy flashlight. So you can see, where's it at? Where is it at? And you can see that it's, you got the little thing for your finger to grab or whatever, and a little slide mechanism. It's plastic, you could probably just break it. It'd probably be quicker than drilling out the rivets. So, a couple ways I'm thinking to do it. I'm hoping I can just leave the... Come on, focus. I'm hoping I can just leave the drawers in. Get in there with my drill and just drill it out. But you can take the drawers out if you just push the little tabs over on the side here on either side, and the slides will come out and you can take the whole drawer out if you really wanted to. But let's get this done. Number one. Number two. Number three. Where am I at? 4. Number 5 when flying. Alright, so now got all the latches out. Can open up all the drawers nice and easy. Of course my stuff got all thrown around a little bit. Maybe once I get it more full, we'll do a little tour video of the different things I'm putting in it. No mechanics tools in this one, just looking for stuff I'd use around the house. So, project number 1 is done. We can open up all these drawers without dicking around. Second thing, this is in my basement. I don't gotta worry about people stealing stuff out of it. I'm not in a shop or somewhere where anyone else goes anywhere near my tools. So I really need to disable the locking mechanism when the lid is closed. And I don't know if I'll even ever close it. I just don't want the damn thing ever locked. So, in my world, the easiest way to take care of this is to just cut these off. So, I think I'm going to see if I can find my little multi-function tool and just cut them flush with the little pillars that are currently sitting there. So that's next. Got my little Perform Max Menards brand multi-function tool. So the plan is to just hopefully cut it somewhat straight right across there, chop both of these off, and have no more locking mechanism, which would be fantastic. Well, it's proven to take a little bit too long with the multifunction tool. Not really what it's intended to do, but who knew Chinese steel was so tough? Harbor Freight didn't used to use quality products. What the hell are they trying to do here? So instead, we're going to go at it with the old 4.5-inch angle grinder. This is another Menards Tool Shop brand. You can see I've had it for a little bit, a little beat up. Unfortunately, I don't have a cutting wheel, so we're just going to use the old grinding one, but it'll lop it off all the same, so let's get right to it. Hey man, don't be throwing sparks at my camera now, damn it. That would piss me off. That's all the reach I got on my little disc there. Let's see if that's enough to do a little doing. Oh, can we get the little cap back on to make it look pretty? Boom! Perfect! Now we just gotta do that one more time. Right there. By the way, have you seen that? Another little Menards item. It's hold on. Hold on, I can fix this. Can't get it in focus though. Get this little, it's brand new, but I've had these before, so I knew that was going to happen. So it's a magnet not doing this very well, am I? It's a magnet. It's also telescoping. And the end of it's a little gooseneck. Really cool tool. I don't know if Menards still sells them. I'll put a link down below if I remember to anything similar on Amazon if I can find it. Anyway, back to the task at hand. Should be enough. Where'd my other cap go? Damn it! Where'd my other cap go? Alright, got my other little cap. Alright, we got our little post cut down, got the plastic caps back on there so it looks, you know, a little bit better. And no latches there. Oh yeah. Open up all my drawers. Ain't nothing locked here, suckers. There you go, guys. It's the first couple of minor modifications. As we go, we might find some other things to change. I do think the back panel there is a lot of wasted space. You can see I had some lights and stuff stuck to it. I've seen people put the magnetic bar up there, or like a socket holder, wrench holder, like organizer. But I'm planning on only using like carpentry type or household tools. I'm not going to put sockets and wrenches and stuff out here or down here. So I'm not sure what to do with that space exactly. I also don't like the idea of putting screwdrivers or extensions through these side panels here. Especially on the other side. I mean, I would never be able to see. I would just have to memorize which one is which or pull them out one at a time. So we'll do a few little modifications here and there as we go, as we find new things that kind of annoy me and don't work out. But like I said, I'm looking for household stuff that I can get at, I was going to say Farm and Fleet, Harbor Freight, to throw in this thing, specifically some vice grips, channel locks, needle nose, different things like that. We're going to put them in one drawer, and I want to get some of those bolstered screwdrivers. I saw they were in the latest Inside Track Club coupons, and get those in there. Just a few other things. So if you have any suggestions, feel free to let me know. Make sure to give the video a like. Check out my website, struggleville.net. We have all the 20% off coupons, the free item coupons, all the coupons. Just put in an item number of any coupon, and if it's available, it'll come up. So, thanks for watching, guys.